Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Nokia G21. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and write Firefox browser. Select this app right here and click install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, begin customizing it. And first thing is to choose the theme, so you can pick light, dark or automatic. You can pick a toolbar placement from bottom or top of the phone. You can also change always on privacy settings from standard to strict or reverse, and synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. You should also read this privacy notice, and after all that, click start browsing. Now open any website and the browser should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.